Hey guys, today we're doing a video on changing the canister vapor purge valve. Model number or part number 55573017. That's what it looks like. Went with the original GM ACDelco part. This was having where when I put the fuel, it was like wanting to turn off, and then sometimes it would turn off. I'm just gonna start the car so you kind of hear what it sounds like under the hood. It's a little stuttery. Change the camera to the other side. So the part that we're changing is this part here. Okay, it's unplugged here. And then there's a plug right there. And for some reason, I guess they changed it already, there's a tie strap right there. Alright guys, we got 2 bars left in the car. We're going to turn the car off, turn it back on, so I can show you it doesn't make the stuttering or it doesn't want to shut off, that it only happens when after filling up. Okay, all right. So turn the car off. Okay, no issue starting up. So now we'll be right back after I put gas. All right, we just put fuel. So normally I have to hold on to the gas pedal so it doesn't turn off, but I'm gonna show you exactly what it does, how it sounds. When it starts, it's gonna act like it's trying to start like a bunch of times. It should go, and when it starts, it's gonna wanna die and bog out and everything, okay? Pay attention to the RPMs and listen to the sound. It's shaking, it's like really rough. If I put it in drive, it'll probably turn off. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna wait till it idles fine. Give it a little bit of throttle, kind of help it. You can feel the roughness, like. All right, so we're gonna go to AutoZone and get the OBD2 tester, and we're gonna see what it says is wrong with it. All right, so quick update. I drove probably like less than 5 minutes, and it goes away. The rough idle. As you can see, the miles are still at 409 full tank. That doesn't even move. So it's like something is like blocked or not working properly at the moment after fueling up. So we'll see you at AutoZone. All right, so we're here at AutoZone. We're gonna go in there and ask for the OBD reader. whatnot, whatever it's called, to go ahead and scan the car. Something you could do besides going to the dealer, because they're gonna charge you $100 plus to diagnose it, and if you don't do the work with them, they keep the money. If not, you do the work with them, they deduct that fee from the job. So let's go in here. How you doing? You have a OBD reader scanner?
You gonna use it right now?
Yeah.
And if you stand, just bring it up.
Yeah, you got it. Thank you very much. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you go to AutoZone. It's gonna tell you here, turn the ignition on position but do not start. You don't need to do the mileage. Plug connector into vehicles. Diagnostic report. When the screen reads done, unplug and return device to storage, run to get the health report. So I have one of these, so I'm gonna take this out. It's my drive wise. So like I said, you're gonna turn the key to the on position. Just that first, boom, that's it. You're gonna match the prongs with that one. Push it in. Sorry about that, Bill, but it's pretty fast. Done. Return to the store to receive your vehicle health report. That's it. Unplug it. Go right back in. They're gonna give us the paperwork. And put this back in there. How you doing?
Good, good.
Jefe dice que tienes un problemita con un evap emission.
Okay.
Te voy a enseñar la piececita aquí un momentico. Aquí en esta foto que te voy a enseñar te explica qué es la función que tiene esa pieza y cuánto vale. Y yo la vendo.
Okay.
Estos son todos tus códigos.
Okay.
Y acá abajo sí, la next scheduled maintenance. Ya cuando llega a ese millaje, tienes que inspeccionar estas cosas porque ya hay que cambiarse.
Okay.
Esto es lo que tiene tu carro mal, que es esto.
Okay.
Canister Purge Valve, que es también el Evaporative Emission System Flow. Se trata del powertrain.
Sí.
Estás bien en freno y estás bien en service interval. El motor en él está perfecto.
Okay.
Lo único que tienes un problemita en el powertrain, que quiere decir en un componente del motor te está dando un problemita, que es esto.
Okay.
Antes de yo empezar a venderte todas estas cosas, me gustaría que tú le llevaras esto a un mecánico y tú hablaras con él.
Ajá.
A ver cuánto te van a cobrar, ¿me entiendes?
Okay.
Ya si te cuadra lo que ellos te dicen, tú sabes que yo lo tengo, viene a verme con esto mismo si quieres, y yo se lo doy.
Okay.
Pero no quiero venderle algo que al final tú te vas a quedar con
eso.
eso y vas a decir, ¿y esto ahora qué hago con él?
Gracias por eso.
No, con gusto, papito.
Okay.
Que pase el lindo día.
Igualmente. So that dude in there is really cool. Like, I've never heard anybody explain everything as detailed as he did. He was also saying that that he would recommend that I go to another mechanic to make sure that that's the piece before he sells it to him, and also if they can give him a better price on the piece, to get it there. That is excellent service. So here's a explanation of, you know, what they give you a breakdown. There's the code. It knows how much mileage you have, so it tells you to inspect whatnot. He says this up here will tell you that the powertrain has a X on it, as you can see, and then the anti-lock brake has a check, which is fine. Service intervals check is which is fine. And he was explaining to me that that's mechanical. And there's the brand Duralast canister purge valve, P0496. That's their part number, 4699. There's the picture of the piece, which I already have, which I was assuming that was the part based off what I read online. And you know how it works. When it fails, a failed purge valve on the bottom can allow the engine to draw in raw fuel, resulting in a very rich fuel mixture, black smoke from the exhaust, and increased fuel consumption. I have been seeing a little bit more fuel consumption and a bad smell coming out of the exhaust when starting. So, you know, I just wanted you guys to understand how to check these things before you go to the dealer. And we're gonna go home. We're gonna change this piece out. We're gonna change it out in no time. All right, we're back home. Let's go ahead and remove this. Car engine not too hot. Haven't been driving it too long. Squeeze both sides. One here, one here. All right. That releases the clip there. Now here, go ahead and just slide this whole thing out. This is loose. Now there's supposed to be a clip right here, a purple clip right here. There's not. Someone put a tie strap there. I'm guessing this piece was changed out before, but there is a plug back here, so we're gonna take this. This is a lock thingy here, so you gotta push that back. There, that's why that clip goes here. That clip is supposed to be right there to hold these two together. It's not. Don't know why, but that's how it is. That's all that was holding these two together. And here you pop this out this way, push here, get this to stay. Here's the old one. You can read here. I'm assuming they changed it in 2015 because the bottom it says 2015. Part number, use that part number though. See, that one's 2021, you see it down there? 2021. And just reverse the process. Get this there. Lock in, this blue thing in. Okay, that's not going nowhere. This piece will go in there. Okay, that goes in there. I'm gonna push that back. Push it in all the way. Like I said, it's not, you don't have the clip to put in the top, but you should have a purple clip that goes in the top here. Right there. I'm gonna put the same thing they use, I guess. Put that together. Then you're gonna put this in here. And slide that all the way right there. That's secure. push that down. There. Hear that click? Okay. All right, so let's fire this up and see if we hear that ticking. It was a ticking noise coming from here, and it was kind of like vibrating and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure it's gonna take a while for the check engine light to turn off. You have to drive, it has to get adjusted. Sometimes it doesn't turn off immediately. Close the door so you can hear that beep. We'll see when I start driving it, see if the check engine light turns off. Quick update, check engine light's off after I took the battery off. Look at the miles per gallon, 60 miles an hour. Estimated 43. It was never that high when I had that purge valve with the check engine light on. This commute to work, 49.6 miles to the gallon average. Like I said, it goes up and down based on your speed, how much you stop and go. We pretty much go on a stretch for about 20-something minutes, so the speed is normally consistent, but this was never getting close to that number with that piece damaged. All right, guys, so we're down to 2 bars, 66 miles. I had to disconnect the battery to turn the check engine light off, and it hasn't come back for 2 days. Now we're gonna put fuel to verify that it doesn't make that same stuttering or want to shut off after installing the purge valve, the new purge valve. Should be about 9 gallons. Make sure you click this. There. Make sure you tighten until one clip. I will give it extra clip. Alright, here we go. Let's see. I'm gonna keep close attention to the RPMs and listen to see if the engine stutters. Everything looks good so far. If something changes later on, I don't know how I'm gonna put an update, but I will. But it looks like no check engine light still, no stuttering, filling up from 2 bars. It was great. 430 miles ago, depending on how you drive. And yeah, give it a like if this was helpful for you. See you guys in the next video.